aspect to an actor's life that needs to be handled, and I think it is very important. Also, I'm with Blink. I'm with a completely different company, but I'm here for Anirban. I've known him for many years. I'm very tired. I think I've been out the whole day today, promoting and talking about the film, and I think this is the last event for the day. I can't work without my manager, Trinisha.
It is so important to have a management. I never used to have one, and now Kwan takes care of my work, and it makes my life much easier because there are a lot of things that I should not be concentrating on because they do it much better than I do, and that's why they work for me, and they allow me to just be creative and do what I do best, which is, use my creativity.
Today's day and age, the whole concept of managing somebody's career is very essential, is very vital. It was not like the way it used to be, and I think our managers and our celebrity backup really, companies really make the person that we are.
I think celebrity managers, now that time has evolved and filmmaking has changed so much, I think film managers are extremely important. Definitely the ways and norms have changed from earlier. To me, a manager is very important because it's not just about somebody who's leading you or guiding you, but a manager is actually the face that probably everybody sees much before, within the industry, much before you actually meet a celebrity. It's your manager who sets your impression, emotions. I guess it's very important.
I have to say it's very important, and I have greatly enjoyed being represented by Anirban Bla and Kwan. As they keep saying, I'm their oldest client, and I've been with them, I think, from the very beginning, and in fact even before Kwan existed, and it makes your life a lot easier. I think the industry is becoming more and more professional with time in India, and you certainly need someone to go out there to pitch for you, to help you coordinate your dates, to talk money, which I personally find quite embarrassing and difficult to do.
Well, Kwan represents me for all my film work, so I'm very happy to be here and to be supporting Anirban and his entire team. अगर आप चाहो तो celebrity management एक बहुत compulsory हिस्सा बनता है to make sure that the way that you जो आप चाहते हो आपके बारे में लोग जानना चाहे या the kind of work that you want that you actually get, and Kwan does that for me.